Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is Katya at Urban Wellness, and I'm going to talk to you today about my Rebalancing Cleanse Support Tea of the month for January. It's very appropriate for this time of year because a lot of people make a New Year's resolution to start fresh and cleanse or detox, and that can mean lots of different things. I actually have a cleanse kit here at Urban Wellness that contains my tea, but also some detox drops, which is an herbal tincture blend more targeted toward the liver, detoxifying the liver, which is our primary filter in the body. And then a fiber blend, which is going to help gently sweep out the colon. It also has herbs like burdock in there that are going to help feed the beneficial flora and just kind of restore the health of the intestines. But I'm going to focus on the tea today. So my tea is a blend of all these herbs you see right here. So these jars are full of single herbs and I blended them together. It's a much more complex tea than a lot of the teas that I usually do, but I wanted to make sure that all the herbs in here targeted the primary organs of elimination. So they gently stimulate the liver, kidneys, lymph, skin, lungs, and I think that's it. Those are the main ones, a little bit on the colon. Mostly that's going to happen through the fiber blend or herbal laxatives, but I don't really have laxatives in this blend. So I'm just going to briefly go through some of the main herbs in this blend. So burdock root I just mentioned. I also have in the fiber blend that is high in inulin that feeds the beneficial flora, but it's also excellent at detoxifying and supporting the liver. It's really strengthening to the liver while it detoxifies. Red clover blossoms. Beautiful little blossoms, hand-picked, and they are considered an alterative, which basically the old term used to be blood purifier. It basically helps open up all the organs, all the channels of elimination so toxins can move out. And it has a particular affinity for the lungs, that's strengthening to the lungs and restorative to the lungs. And then it helps just open up the lymphatics and move stuff out that way. Anise seed is in this because it has a lung affinity. Anise can help gently relax the lungs, and it also is somewhat of a circulatory stimulant. It really calms and promotes healthy digestion as well. Dandelion root, another one of my favorite liver herbs. This one's a real tonic to the liver, so it's really strengthening and supportive, but it also detoxifies the liver. It helps move fluid through the kidneys, so it has a natural diuretic property in that way. Cleavers has a lymphatic movement action, and so does calendula. And a lot of people don't really realize that our lymphatic is a main detoxification system that parallels our blood system. And it carries away pathogens and bacteria and fluid from between our cells back to the bloodstream to be purified by the liver, primarily in the kidneys. And cleavers also has a gentle diuretic effect, so it does help move fluid through the kidneys as well. And calendula flowers I've talked about in a lot of my teas. I love it. It's anti-inflammatory, and it's a real skin healer. You can hear my dog Abby in the background there. So those are the primary ones. I also have hyssop, which is a lung tonic, ginkgo leaf, which increases circulation to the cerebral, to the brain and to the periphery as well, and it's also a great antioxidant. Peppermint, which opens up the lungs and also adds a really nice flavor and helps promote healthy digestion, and licorice root. And licorice root is an adrenal tonic. It also protects the liver and is anti-inflammatory to the whole system, the lungs and the GI tract. So that's why I put all these herbs together. So this lovely combination here is called Rebalancing Cleanse Support Tea. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Katya at Urban Wellness, and we look forward to serving your herbal needs in the near future.